Alright, Assalamualaikum and very good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to explain on how to go about your assignment. Okay, so you can register your account with this Bursa Marketplace. Okay, provide your full name and your class name. Okay, so you can set up your own profile. So after that, what you need to do is that you need to choose 3 stocks under your portfolio, and then you will be given this 100,000 ringgit for you to trade, and then you are only have 50 trades throughout the game. So I have already amended the date. Okay, so the starting date will be 22nd of May until 1st of July. So it is going to be on week 8 until week 12, right? So you just go straight away to this Bursa Marketplace. Okay, so let's say this is your interface. What you need to do is that you need to register. Okay, you need to register, or you can click login. So if you haven't registered, please click 1, and then after that you can log in. So for me, I'm using my Google account. Alright, so once you have already in, okay, you can edit your profile. Okay, so here is the thing. So I want to all of you to create your name plus your group name. Okay, contoh for example is let's say Jessica BA2424A. Alright, so your name and your group name, or maybe it can be Ahmad QBA5. Okay, so please register your name, your full name plus your group name, so that I can identify which group are you from. Okay, and then as for your profile picture, it is up to you. Alright, so you can go to this my market tab here, and then click on my games. Okay, so you can choose this UiTM Campus Samarahan. Click to join the game. Okay, click join the game UiTM Campus Samarahan. Alright, or you can join by clicking on this link provided. Okay, so once you join, okay, so the interface that you're going to have is going to be like this. Okay, UiTM Samarahan. Okay, so it will shows you the number of stock that you have, and then of course you can buy or sell the stock. Okay, so once you join, okay, you can click here. You can click buy or sell. Okay, so you click buy or sell. Let's say you want to buy this, let's say Nestle. Okay, so it will automatically appear the stock that you required, that you selected. Alright, so you buy how many. Alright, so remember, one lot equivalent to 100 unit of share. Okay, right, that's it. Okay, so after you have completed the game, you need to produce a report. Okay, so whether it is a group report or individual report. So the detail of the report, you can refer to the assignment detail as I provided earlier. Alright, I think that's all. Thank you.